Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate wealth management with Wealthfront, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your wealth management with Wealthfront, visit the Wealthfront website and create an account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Next, complete the sign-up process by verifying your email. Once your account is active, log into the Wealthfront dashboard. Begin by taking the risk assessment questionnaire to determine your investment profile. Answer all questions honestly to ensure the platform can tailor investments to your needs. After completing the questionnaire, Wealthfront will recommend an investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Review the suggested investment strategy to understand the asset allocation recommended for you. If you're satisfied with the proposed strategy, you can proceed to fund your account. Link your bank account by providing the required information for a smooth transfer of funds. Wealthfront requires a minimum investment amount, so ensure you have sufficient funds available. After funding, Wealthfront will automatically begin investing on your behalf. Monitor your investments through the Wealthfront dashboard, which provides real-time updates and performance insights. Utilize the financial planning tools available on the platform to set and track your financial goals. Wealthfront also offers tax loss harvesting to maximize your investment returns. Regularly log into your account to review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Consider setting up recurring deposits to grow your investment over time. Wealthfront's automated management means the platform will rebalance your portfolio based on market conditions. Take advantage of the educational resources provided to better understand personal finance and investments. If you have any questions or need assistance, Wealthfront offers robust customer support to help you navigate the platform. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate your wealth management and work toward your financial goals with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.